Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
Recently, we took a 36-hour road trip to California. Our goals were simple: see the overwintering monarch butterflies, show Gabagool the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, and pull off 11 photo shoots in 3 days.
You might be asking yourself, why would anyone want to do a chaotic photo marathon extravaganza?
Ever since moving to Chicago, we've missed working with a team of people who we mesh well with creatively.
And frankly, it's been a while since we've taken any photos that we've loved, and we wanted to feel reinvigorated.
Plus, we love a good challenge.
A challenge? I'm always down for a challenge.
So the first 2 goals were easy.
We saw an ass ton of monarch butterflies.
Everything on there is butterflies.
And Gabagool went nuts on the Pacific.
The photo shoots, however, took some doing.
Right away, we knew we had to get organized to pull this thing off, so we came up with a plan.
1. Conceptualize the shoots. 2. Order, book, and schedule. 3. Get the old gang back together and feel creatively fulfilled.
Before we develop our shoot concepts, we need to lock down our models and locations.
So we know we want to work with some of our all-time faves: Christina, Matthew, Destiny, Jasmine.
And Kyra, but she's hung up her modeling skates, so...
We reach out and they're all down and excited to work together again. Score.
Next, we search for places in LA that inspire us. Not sponsored, but we book all of our locations on Peerspace because it's pretty easy and affordable to lock in unique locations.
For instance, we stumbled across this studio that features some great shapes. Since we know our models Matthew and Christina are really good at contorting their bodies in interesting ways, we decided to do a shape-themed concept with the 2 of them.
Boom, that's a photo shoot.
More and more ideas start to come to us.
Pastels, maximalism, cinematic action movie stills.
The 1960s and the 1970s.
Film shoots, beauty stock images.
Head in the Clouds, Haze and Bloom, concept art. Just an ass ton of fun ideas.
You're saying ass ton a lot.
I'm in my ass ton era.
Say less.
For the first time in a long time, we're pumped to pick up a camera.
Now it's time to schedule this glorious monstrosity.
Okay, so this next part is a nightmare. We've got to figure out the availability of 5 people, 7 locations, and our dog sitter.
After way too many Instagram DMs, we come up with this schedule.
And send out these call sheets.
We'll link our call sheet template in the description if you want to use it for your next shoot.
And then we go to town ordering the perfect wardrobe for each shoot.
To be completely transparent with you, doing something like this on short notice is not cheap.
We're in a privileged position to be able to use this channel to help foot the bill. You can probably do this much cheaper, and we've made many videos on the topic, but this time around, we're going all out.
In total, we spent $2,630 just on renting 7 locations.
The outfits cost $1,200, but we can return most of it.
We pay the models $3,900. Those guys are non-refundable, but worth it. And our best boy, Nick Spruck,
Our prize videographer,
he puts the street in Mango Street.
we pay him $2,200 for his time, talent, and some of his gear.
And my sister Megan assists us. We pay her in granola bars.
So all in all, it costs us $9,931.
And 6 granola bars.
Again, you don't have to spend $10,000 to do something like this, but since we get paid to make videos, we like to pay the talented people we work with.
Anyway, with everything booked.
Wait, we didn't mention the absolute ass ton of ironing I had to do.
Anyway, after the ass ton of ironing, we got the old gang back together.
Obviously, we don't want to show you too much because we'll have videos coming out for each one of these shoots starting tomorrow, but we did it.
It was exhausting and totally life-giving.
We shot with cameras we hadn't used before.
We worked with strobes instead of our natural light go-to.
And we soaked up the creativity of all the people we've loved working with over the years.
We're so excited for you to see everything that we made. Every month this year, you'll see one shoot from this 3-day marathon starting tomorrow, where we shove Destiny's head in the clouds. So fun. See you then.
Now I have an ass ton of editing to do.
All right, you're done.
We've been Squarespace customers since 2013, way before this YouTube channel started. We currently pay for 4 Squarespace websites, and striptriviapod.com is one of them.
If you're not raking in money hand over fist with your podcast, you might want to check out Squarespace's new member areas, where you can sell access to gated content like video classes, digital downloads, or newsletters.
You can also showcase your photography with Squarespace's professional portfolio designs. Customize the layout, the look, and the feel to make it your own. Also, you can schedule and book appointments straight from your website. You need to log in that client meeting? Well, they can easily see your availability and reschedule if needed, making your life a heck of a lot easier.
Here's what our new podcast website looks like, and if you're in the market for a new website or domain, we'll save you 10% when you go to squarespace.com/mangostreet, or just click the link down in the description, or use the code MangoStreet at checkout. The options are virtually endless.
Sounds like there's just 3 options.
Okay, there's 3 options.